So once you come into the room, on your right is the cupboard. And they also have the iron board, and the iron is on the other side. So if you open up on the other side, your safety box is in here as well. And if you require any laundry services, your forms and your bag is on the second drawer. Your in-room slippers and your shoe shine is at the bottom of the cupboard. Alright, next let's look at the toilet. So this is the toilet. They also gave you the body bar. So this is the premium filtered drinking water. So instead of them giving you mineral water in bottles, they get you to drink the water from the filtered tap. Okay, so this tap over here is the one that you can drink. And your shower space is here. It's very spacious. So they gave two sets of your shampoo and body cleanser. One is on the shower side and the other one is at the bathtub side. Okay, so over this side is your tea and coffee area. So your teacups are here, your kettle is here, and there's an espresso machine. So if you want to make good coffee, you can use an espresso machine. And on the first drawer, they have the coffee and tea. So if you want to drink Nescafe, it's all here. So they have the classic as well as the blend decaf. And besides that, they have Dilmah tea as well. So here they prepared English breakfast, green tea, as well as my favorite chamomile tea. And your sugar is this side. Okay, and they give you a lot. Usually if you go to other hotels, they will just give you one or two, and then if you do room service, then they will top up again for you. But this time, no, they give a lot, so you can drink as much as you want within a day. And at the bottom, they have the chiller. So if you want to get your drinks inside, put everything inside. And this is for your Nespresso. Your creamer is inside the chiller. And your cups is on this side. And your glass is on this side as well. Parkroyal also give you the care pack. So it contains the sanitizer, the wet tissue, as well as a disposable mask. Okay, so here are the resting chairs, and they even gave you complimentary chocolates as well as dried mango for you to munch on upon arrival. Okay, so I opt for the twin size bed, And since I'm here for a birthday celebration, so they actually gave a complimentary cake. Okay, and a very simple design. They just put up balloons on bed, which is very thoughtful of them. And over this side, your phone, your alarm clock, and your television guide. And this room comes with a huge TV, so even though you watch TV from far, it's still very clear. So this room comes with a balcony, so let's have a look outside. So you can have tea time or just chill out outside, but you can't smoke here, okay? Then you go back inside. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you have enjoyed my room tour at Parkroyal on Beach Road. If you like this video, you can give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video if it benefits you. Hope to see you all again in the next video. Bye! Yours truly, Violennist.